Hey everyone, hey Instaland. I'm inviting you here for bedtime tea with me with my chipped glass with a raised Buddha on it from Joshua Tree. And I've got here a bouquet of flowers. And why am I bothering you guys tonight? Because I want to help you with your content, because I have a lot of clients who are always saying, I don't know what to write about, and I have this really great message, it's really clear, but I've run out of content. Guys, there's content everywhere. And the art of analogy will help you create content endlessly. So let yourself be enchanted or moved or just notice something and take it as an opportunity to use for your content. Because analogy can freshen your message and set you apart from other people who are sharing maybe the same message or a similar one, right? So in this case, we've got a bouquet of flowers, and we've got a live flower, and we got some dead flowers. They're shedding all over. So quick example, I want to keep mindful of time and keep it to 3 minutes. So one quick example, something that this conjures in my mind is I remember the first time I was in Rome in Italy, where I lived in the 80s for a couple of years. And I remember seeing a bouquet of roses in the corner of a room, and there were beautiful live roses, and then there were dead ones that were still in the vase. You wouldn't see that in the United States, or not then. I'd never seen anything like that. And it felt so artful and daring, because the dead flowers that were shedding their petals on the floor very beautifully made the fresh roses look even more beautiful. And that I would anchor for my message is about storytelling. And effective storytelling, you have to have contrast. You can't simply have the triumph, yay, everything's all good. You gotta have the low point, okay? You gotta have the dead flowers, you gotta have the contrast, and then coming to life again, if you're using personal story, which is my expertise. Does this make sense? I'm going pretty fast. Here's another quick analogy, is this makes me think of incredible training. I had a mastermind for entrepreneurial training, and at a certain point the mentor said, you guys are all in your own ways. There are people in your lives who are getting your way too. Take a piece of paper and write down dead or alive, and everyone in your life who makes you feel alive and is supporting you and helping you grow and expand, put them in the alive column. And all the people who are holding you back and bumming you out and dragging you down, put them in the dead column. Woo! So that's another thing that this vase of flowers reminds me of, which you could also use for, since I talk about personal development as well as storytelling, I could use that one for, a lesson I learned in a mastermind that I still use to this day, and it's important. So that's the 3 minute. Does that give you some inspiration? Look around and see if there's something that catches your eye and you have some content to write, and just, it's kind of like walking a tightrope, right? Prepare to improvise. You already know your message. Then just have fun describing the thing and see how it links, or how it reflects, or how you can anchor your message in the description. All right, that's it. It's 3.5 minutes. Good night, or good morning, or good day. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but thank you for joining me on the deck in Austin, Texas, and I'll see you again very soon.